Grace meeting for everyone. We are here, the student of our college from Universitas 17 Agustus 1945 Surabaya. My name is Yoses and my friend is.
And my name is Silvanel.
We are here to will be presenting the task or assignment from our course interpreting from our lecturer Mr. Bramantia Pradipta. We will be discuss or presenting about interpreter and speaker. So I will be the speaker and my friend will be the interpreter. We will be use two language, which is Indonesia and English. So we will be discuss about how our life in our campus. So we will begin from my friend Ripanel.
Oke, saya akan mulai. Kalau aku boleh jujur, kehidupan kampus itu enggak terlalu seperti yang aku bayangkan dulu waktu masih SMA.
To be honest, campus life isn't always what I imagine it will be like in high school.
Dulu aku pikir kuliah itu santai, bisa datang kapan saja, dosen nggak galak, tugasnya juga nggak berat. Itu.
I thought college will be relaxed. You could come in anytime. The lecturers weren't as fierce, and the assignments weren't that hard.
Tapi ternyata semuanya jauh lebih kompleks dan menarik juga sih kalau dipikir-pikir sekarang.
But it turns out everything was much more complex and interesting in retrospect.
Hari-hariku di kampus biasanya dimulai dari perjuangan paling klasik. Bangun pagi,
My days on campus usually started with the most classic struggle, well, like waking up early.
kadang niat banget mau datang lebih awal, tapi realitanya ya tetap aja sering kejar-kejaran sama waktu.
Sometimes I really wanted to arrive early, but in reality, I was still often racing against time.
Apalagi kalau mata kuliahnya jam 8 pagi. Rasanya kayak ujian kesabaran buat mahasiswa.
Especially if the class started at 8 a.m., it felt like a test of patience for students.
Jelas itu bikin seru. Para kita jadi punya cerita bareng teman-teman. Tapi di sisi lain, momen-momen kayak gitu justru yang bikin seru. Karena kita jadi punya cerita bareng teman-teman.
But on the other hand, moments like that were actually what made it exciting because we shared stories with our friends.
Yang paling aku suka dari kampus itu suasananya.
What I love most about campus is the atmosphere.
Nggak cuma soal belajar di kelas, tapi tentang interaksi.
It's not just about studying in class, but also about the interactions.
Temu teman dari berbagai daerah, karakter yang berbeda, cara berpikir yang juga unik.
Meeting friends from various regions with different characters and unique ways of thinking.
Dari situ aku banyak belajar. Bukan cuma tentang teori, tapi juga tentang iman bareng dengan orang.
From there, I learned a lot, not just about theory, but also about how to understand others.
Kita belajar lebih banyak dari obrolan santai di kantin daripada dari buku tebal di perpustakaan.
Sometimes we learn more from casual conversations in the cafeteria than from thick books in the library.
Tapi ya,
But yes, there were also times of exhaustion.
tapi ya, tapi ya, ada juga masa-masa capeknya. Juga tugas yang numpuk, deadline beruntun, presentasi yang bikin deg-degan, dan kadang dosen yang perfeksionis banget.
Filling up assignments, consecutive deadlines, nerve-wracking presentations, and sometimes perfectionist lecturers.
Di situ aku sering ngerasa, ya ampun, kenapa sih? Kuliah tuh berat banget. Tapi akhirnya setelah lewat, aku selalu mikir. Ternyata dari situ aku belajar banyak.
I've, I often felt, Gus, why is college so hard? But strangely, afterward, I always thought I learned a lot from it.
Lalu, aku jadi lebih sabar, lebih bisa ngatur waktu, dan lebih tangguh menghadapi tekanan.
I became more patient, better at managing my time, and more resilient under pressure.
Selain itu, kegiatan luar kelas juga nggak kalah penting. Entah itu ikut organisasi, panitia acara, atau sekadar nongkrong bareng teman.
Besides that, activities outside of class were actually equally important.
Semua pengalaman itu ngasih warna tersendiri.
Whether it was joining organizations, organizing events, or just hanging out with friends, all of these experiences added their own unique flavor.
Buatku, kehidupan di kampus itu bukan cuma nilai dan satu EPK tinggi.
Tuh,
Aku pernah ngerasa sibuk banget sampai lupa waktu, tapi justru dari situ aku ngerasa hidup di kampus benar-benar hidup. Ada tawa, ada drama, ada perjuangan, tapi semuanya bikin perjalanan kuliah aku jadi berharga.
I feel so busy, I've lost track of time, but it was precisely from those experiences that I felt that campus life was truly alive.
Buatku, kehidupan kampus itu bukan cuma soal nilai atau IPK tinggi, tapi tentang proses jadi dewasa, belajar tanggung jawab, belajar gagal, dan belajar bangkit lagi.
There was satu.
Dari situ aku ngerasa hidup di kampus benar-benar hidup. Ada tawa, ada drama, ada perjuangan, tapi semuanya bikin perjalanan kuliah aku jadi berharga.
There was a laughter, there was drama, there was struggle, but all of them made my college journey worthwhile.
Buatku, kehidupan kampus itu bukan cuma soal nilai atau IPK tinggi,
For me, college life isn't just about grades or a high GPA.
tapi tentang proses jadi dewasa, belajar bertanggung jawab, belajar gagal, dan belajar bangkit lagi.
It's about the process of maturing, learning to take responsibility, learning to fail, and learning to get back up again.
aku jadi ngerti kalau kuliah itu bukan sekedar untuk mencari gelar, tapi tempat untuk mengenal diri sendiri.
I've come to understand that college isn't just a place to earn a degree, but a place to learn about yourself.
Dan nanti kalau aku udah lulus, aku rindukan bukan cuma ruang kelas atau tugas-tugasnya, tapi suasana hari-hari itu. Teman-teman yang ramai, obrolan receh di kantin, atau rasa panik sebelum ujian.
And when I graduate, perhaps what I'll miss most isn't just the classroom or the assignments, but the atmosphere of the day, the lively friends, the small talk in the cafeteria, and the panic before exams.
Tema itu kayak potongan kecil yang membentuk siapa aku sekarang.
All of those things are like little pieces that shape who I am today.
Jadi kalau ditanya seperti apa kehidupan kampus dalam pandanganku, aku akan bilang capek ya, tapi seru banget.
So if you ask me about college life is like, in my opinion, I'd say tiring, yes, but incredibly exciting.
Penuh warna, penuh pelajaran, dan penuh kenangan yang gak akan tergantikan.
Full of color, full of lessons, and full of unforgettable memories. So that will
Oke,
be our presentation about interpreting and speaker from our college, about the life in our college. We are very sorry if we got any mistaken in words or behavior. My name is Jose Sirkats. My friend,
namanya Sri Panel.
kita mengucapkan terima kasih banyak.